Hi friends! Today we are making sweet heart cookies, one of our all-time favorites. The first thing you're going to do is add your softened butter and your sugar to a mixing bowl. Cream them together until they're light and fluffy. Make sure you scrape down your bowl about halfway through just to make sure that everything is combined properly. Then another quick mix. Now add your egg yolks and mix again until combined. Now it's time to add your flour. You're going to turn on the mixer one more time until all of the flour is incorporated. Now the dough is going to be really stiff, and that's great. That's exactly what you want. You're going to scrape it off your paddle attachment into the bowl. Next, you're going to sprinkle a little flour onto the countertop. This way, guys, when you turn out your dough, it won't stick. Now plop your dough onto the countertop. You're just going to knead it very gently for a minute or so, just like I'm doing here. Basically, you want the dough to come together and it to be a little bit smoother than it is right now. Once your dough is smooth, you're going to start pinching little pieces of dough off and rolling them into balls. I typically go about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Now once you have your dough balls rolled, you're going to take the handle of a wooden spoon and make a hole in the middle of each ball. Be careful not to go all the way through the bottom. This is how they should look from the top. Wooden spoon starts to stick, just dip the handle in a little flour. Now you're going to fill each hole with jam. It doesn't matter what flavor, whatever your favorite is. I used a berry jam here, sometimes I use strawberry, it just kind of depends what I'm in the mood for. Once you have your cookies filled, you're going to put them in a 350-degree oven for between 10 and 12 minutes. Now they won't brown completely on the top. They'll set though, and they'll be a little bit golden on the bottom. They'll be perfect that way. Now once they're done, you're going to take them off the baking sheet and put them on a rack to cool. Once your cookies are cool, go ahead and sprinkle with a little powdered sugar. All that's left to do now is eat and enjoy. Trust me guys, these won't last long.